well, wouldn't you believe it, but NZXT just released another product the internet has an issue with. But thankfully this time it's not a case that's a literal fire hazard, no. This time it's just simply an overpriced power supply, because they recently announced a brand new C series of bronze rated budget power supplies. And clearly someone at NZXT doesn't really know what budget means. These PSUs will come in at 3 different wattages: 550 watt, 650 watt and 750 watt, and prices starting at $80 and going all the way up to $100. That is getting rather steep, because sure, of course 750 watt PSUs will cost a bit more, but $100 for a non-modular bronze rated power supply? Excuse me, NZXT? Because there's already so many other great power supplies that are cheaper, have a higher efficiency rating, and also are fully modular if not semi-modular. And companies like Corsair or Be Quiet have been making a lot of very good budget power supplies for ages now. And no, I'm not going crazy. I'm not the only one who's kind of scratching their head about this whole announcement, because I'm joining a much larger group of tech news outlets that have also questioned the fact that this thing exists and is priced the way that it is. And if you want to get something more budget friendly and with even better features, then we're going to have our Amazon associates links down in the video description below, so you can pick yourself up a much better deal of a PSU. And also, if you want to learn more about a decent budget gold rated fully modular power supply, because yes, those things are a thing now, then I highly recommend you subscribe so you don't miss my review of the Be Quiet Pure Power 11, which is coming out very soon. Wait, what was I talking about again? I feel like I was talking about some NZXT product. Huh. Must have not been important. But all jokes aside, it's really interesting to see exactly in how many different ways NZXT has misstepped in the last few years. And the rabbit hole of the kind of weird stuff they've been up to recently goes far beyond just, releasing a case that has some fire hazards in it, or just releasing the H510 with barely any room for any of its components to breathe, and then having to re-release it with a front panel mod that people could already buy from sites like Etsy. And even some of the weird stuff on the NZXT build servers, which I've made tons of videos about, which I highly recommend you check out, it can be up in the iCards, that doesn't scratch the surface of what their company has been up to recently. Their reputation is really taking a beating right now, and no matter how upbeat and innocent they try to seem on social media, well, there's definitely a lot more to this company than meets the eye. And I'm planning to have a whole video talking about that, so again, definitely subscribe, because it's going to be a very spicy upload. Alternatively, if you want to support the channel in other ways, then I highly recommend you check out my Patreon down in the video description below, because even $1 a month goes a long way in helping out my channel and allows me to make way better videos, along with videos on way more interesting topics. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, LKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lance B, and Common Gauge Clothing. Thank you guys so much. Support truly goes a long way. Once again, down there's also our Amazon associates links if you want to pick up a good budget power supply for your PC. Plus, then there's also a Discord server if you want to talk to me or others at this or whatever else really. Plus, then there's also our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.